Hello students, in the previous video we've learnt about body tag and its attributes. Today we are going to study some more tags in HTML programming. So let's start. The first tag that we have to study today is BR tag. After BR we are going to learn about HR tag. BR tag is used to add a new line character after the text. In simple words, BR tag is used as an enter key on the screen. Next, we are going to study about HR tag. HR tag is going to draw a horizontal ruler on the web page. Many a times, we need that there should be separate sections. In that case, we can use HR tag. BR and HR are empty tags. That means they do not have a closing tag. BR, it is used to specify line break. The BR tag has no closing tag. Also, BR tag has no attributes. Next, HR tag. HR tag is used to display horizontal ruled line. It has no closing tag. The attributes of HR tag are, there are three attributes of HR tag. The first one is color. Note the spelling of color. There is no U in spelling of color. It is C-O-L-O-R. The color attribute is used to change the color of the horizontal ruler. The possible values are color name or a hexadecimal code. Next attribute is size. To change the thickness of the ruler. If we want to change the thickness of the ruler, then we can use size attribute. The value is taken in pixels. The third attribute of HR tag is width. Width attribute is used to change the length of the horizontal ruler. Again, the value of width attribute is written in pixels. Let us understand these two tags in a program. This is the simple program. In this program, BR and HR are not used till now. We are going to use it later. The first statement is doctype HTML. As we are using HTML5, the first statement is always going to be doctype HTML. Then the page starts with HTML, head. Inside the head, we have a title tag. The title over here is HR and BR tag. After the title, head section closes and body section starts. Then we have HTML. It is the simple text which is written. Next, we have written HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And the third line is, this is code for HTML page. Let us have a look at the output of this page. So here, on the right hand side, we can see the output of the page. All the text is displayed in continuation. Even though we can see enter key is pressed after HTML, that enter is not displayed in the web browser. The web browser ignores these enter keys. If we want the text should be displayed in a new line, we have to use BR tag. So here we use BR tag, and here also we will use BR tag. Save the file. Since we have made changes, we must save the file and we will refresh the page. So now we can see after HTML, there is a new line character which is given by BR tag. Then HTML stands for markup tag. Again, we have used BR tag and then the third statement of the code. So this is how BR tag works. Let us have a look at HR tag also. So instead of BR, let us write HR. First, we will use HR without any attributes. File, save. After we save, refresh the page. We can see a horizontal black color line after HTML because we have used HR. Next, we will see the attributes of HR tag. First attribute is color. Color equal to red. The values are given in double quotes. After making the changes, save the file and refresh the page. Now we can see the horizontal line in red color. Next, we are going to use size attribute. Size attribute is used to change the thickness. I am using 10 pixels. It is going to be a thick line. File, save, and then refresh. We can see the thickness of the line has increased. The third attribute is width. Width attribute is given in pixels or in percentage also. So we will write for 50%. 50% means 50% of the entire page. The entire page is of 100%. We are using 50%. Let's refresh this. Let's view the web page in full screen. So here we can see 50% of the web page is occupied by the horizontal ruler. It leaves 25% on the left hand side and 25% on the right hand side and occupies 50% from the center. Let us change the value and make it 80%. So 80%. After that, save and refresh. So when we save and refresh, we can observe 10% from left hand side and 10% on right hand side is left, and it occupies 80% of the web page. A very common confusion is that people assume that size indicates the length, size indicates the thickness, whereas width indicates the length. When you are using these attributes, use them carefully.